everybody, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mercury. Welcome to my channel. It's my daily vlog, so whatever I'm up to is what you're gonna see here. And today, I heard there was an airplane in Grand Central Terminal. Wait. Mercury, are you losing it? An airplane? That's a train station. You got subways.
Attention all my customers, last call for the 5:39 train to Southeast Plains first stop versus Mark check 16, get low.
You got trains, you got Metro North, you got the subway. You don't have airplanes at Grand Central Terminal. You got food, you got a beautiful atrium. Airplanes? Mercury, come on. No, I swear, there is an airplane, like a vintage airplane display set up. And we are gonna go check it out and see what this is all about. Part of the requirement, masks, and you do need to show proof of vaccine to get in. So let's go. So you got a whole bunch of luggage right here. It's like I'm ready to go. See, like, oh, I could actually pick it up. Look at that. Where are we going? You ready for a trip? Where are we going? Where are we going? I'm ready. I'm ready. I have my seat back up and my tray table in the original upright position. I'm ready for vacation. I found the cockpit. Look at this. So that was so cute. You know, that was a great pit stop on my way home. So there's like, it's kind of a deconstructed airplane. So it has the two wings and it has the cabin section and they have like these horizontal benches and they have the seats and it's vintage style. So it's like old school. It's the way the airplanes used to be. So you go, you sit down, they have like luggage set up so you can feel like you're about to go hop on the plane and take a trip. This was super cute. This was a great little pit stop. So, like I mentioned before, you do have to show proof of vaccination to go in. You can walk by it and see it without showing your proof of vaccination, but if you want to go and interact in the area, you do have to have your vaccine card or a New York State Excelsior Pass or one of the other valid sources of proof of vaccine. Other than that, just wear a mask and enjoy. I will say this, it is very promotional. It's clearly put on by a company that is trying to incite travel, but it's not like a hard sales pitch at all. They like don't even interact with you unless you go up to them and start asking them questions. So I didn't feel like I was awkward or out of place in any way, shape, or form. There is sort of like a monitor in the background that does have advertisements for travel. But I mean, it's always pretty to look at because they have like beaches and these like luxurious escapes, and just imagine yourself there, leaving on a jet plane. That's what it felt like. So, like I said, if you're in the area, Vanderbilt Hall at Grand Central Terminal. But here's the catch: it's only here today and tomorrow. Today is March the 2nd. Tomorrow, March the 3rd. 2-day event. That's it. And then it's gone. So I will get this video up tonight so that way you can see if you can make it down here tomorrow. Otherwise, until then, stay inspired by everyone. Take care.